Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a video of fidget spinning tricks. So one trick I'm going to show you guys is the balance on your finger trick. So first, you take your two fingers, put it over and then spin it, and then you take this finger off slowly, and then it bounces. The next trick is going to be balance on your forehead. This one is very simple. You put your finger on the pad and then spin it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Next one is the nose. We're still learning this one. I can't do that one yet. As you can see, it's kind of difficult. And I'm going to try to toss it to my other finger. So here we go. Ready? Set. Ready? Did it! Did it! See that? I just did it. Okay, so come here. So I'm going to show you guys my brother's fidget spinner. And as you can see, I'm filming in the room. So show them your fidget spinner and spin it. When I spin it, my brother's fidget spinner lights up. The colors are green, blue, and red. And my fidget spinner is yellow. What am I talking about? That's how you can tell he is professional at this. So you see him doing this like he can spin it on his forehead and his head. And okay, you're done. So see you later, Jordan. See you.
Bye.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Okay, he's gone. He's gone. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, and I'm going to tell you the things about this fidget spinner. Woo! Okay. These things right here, all these three things, these are bearings, and there's a bearing in the middle, and these yellow things are pads. These things right here are pads. And the bearing keeps this pad in place and it doesn't move. That's how it spins. And you can spin it fast. And if you want to know where I got these from, you can go to 7-Eleven. You get these ones like this for $8. Let me see that real quick. And you get my brother's light up one from 7-Eleven for $12. And his balances on your finger really good.
Yeah, they got a golden one.
Yeah, they got golden ones. You should check 7-Eleven fidget spinners.
And they got a black gold one.
Woo. Okay, so, okay.
Get out of here, Jordan.
Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this fidget spinner trick video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.